Mastering Customer Journey. Clients are stuck in a frustrating cycle of struggle, and it's not by accident. Why do our customers consistently experience certain recurring challenges throughout each stage of their journey? And what are the underlying causes of these struggles that hinder their overall experience? The age-old conundrum of the customer journey. As I sit here, surrounded by the reminders of my research, I am reminded of the countless faces that have sat across from me, searching for answers to the questions that plague their businesses. Questions that, on the surface, seem so straightforward, yet prove to be deceptively complex. Let me take you back to a particular instance where I found myself entangled in the web of a company's struggles. It was a behemoth of a corporation, one that had long been a household name. At first glance, their customer journey seemed textbook perfect. Seamless transitions, timely responses, and a general sense of harmony. But scratch beneath the surface, and the story was vastly different. Frustrated customers, confused employees, and a general sense of discontent hung in the air like a thick fog. As I delved deeper, I began to notice a peculiar trend. At each stage of the customer journey, there existed a disconcerting sense of dissonance. The carefully crafted email campaigns, the meticulously designed website, and the well-rehearsed customer service scripts all seemed to be working in isolation, rather than in harmony. It was as if each department operated within its own silo, oblivious to the consequences of its actions on the customer's experience. The end result? A customer journey that was akin to navigating an obstacle course, with each hurdle more confounding than the last. Now, I must confess that my initial reaction was one of bewilderment. How could a company of such stature, with resources at its disposal, falter so miserably? But as I listened to the stories of the customers, of the employees, and of the executives, a different narrative began to emerge. It was a tale of misaligned priorities, of metrics-driven decision-making, and of a gross underestimation of the customer's emotional landscape. I recall a particular conversation with a young customer service representative, Maria, who confided in me about the soul-crushing pressure she faced to meet her monthly targets. The relentless emphasis on efficiency and speed had reduced her interactions with customers to a mere checkbox on a spreadsheet. The customer's emotional state, their concerns, and their frustrations were all mere obstacles to be traversed, rather than genuine human experiences to be acknowledged. It was a stark reminder that, in our relentless pursuit of operational excellence, we had forgotten the most crucial aspect, the human touch. As I walked the corridors of that corporation, I sensed a pervasive feeling of unease. It was as if the company had lost touch with its very purpose, to serve its customers. The relentless drive for efficiency had supplanted the emotional core of the business, leaving behind a hollow shell of procedures and protocols. It was a stark reminder that, in our quest for operational excellence, we must never forget the intricate dance of human emotions that underpin every customer interaction. So, what can be done to correct this wayward trajectory? Firstly, companies must recognize that their customers' journeys are not a series of disjointed events, but a rich tapestry of emotions, needs, and desires. It is imperative to weave a narrative that prioritizes empathy, understanding, and genuine human connection. The metrics-driven approach, though essential, must be tempered with a deep understanding of the customer's emotional landscape. This is not a mere philosophical exercise. It has tangible implications. It means empowered employees, unshackled from the yoke of targets and metrics, free to respond to customers with authenticity and compassion. It means an organizational structure that encourages cross-functional collaboration, rather than siloed departments working in isolation. Most critically, it means a willingness to acknowledge the moral ambiguities that arise when we prioritize efficiency over empathy. As I parted ways with that corporation, I couldn't help but feel a sense of hope. For in the midst of the chaos, I had caught glimpses of a different reality, one where customers were treated as humans, rather than mere data points. It is a reality that I fervently believe is within our grasp. If we are willing to confront the underlying causes of customer dissatisfaction and to recalibrate our pursuit of operational excellence. To address the inconsistencies and challenges faced by customers throughout their journey, It is essential to identify the root causes of these issues and implement operational excellence strategies to mitigate them. By mapping the customer journey and analyzing each stage, we can pinpoint the pain points and develop targeted solutions to improve the overall customer experience. Onboarding stage. During the onboarding process, customers often face difficulties in understanding the product or service, navigating complex interfaces, and accessing support resources. To address these challenges, we recommend 1. Implementing interactive guided tours or tutorials to facilitate a smoother onboarding experience. 2. Providing easy access to comprehensive product documentation, FAQs, and troubleshooting guides. 3. Offering multiple support channels, including live chat, email, and phone support, to cater to diverse customer preferences. 4. Assigning a dedicated customer success manager to ensure a seamless transition from sales to onboarding. Post-onboarding stage. After onboarding, customers often encounter issues related to product usage, billing, and technical support. To alleviate these concerns, we suggest 1. Developing a robust knowledge base with detailed product information, use cases, and best practices. 2. Introducing a ticketing system for efficient issue tracking and resolution. 3. Establishing a community forum for customers to engage with each other, share experiences, and exchange knowledge. 4. Conducting regular check-ins and health checks to ensure customer satisfaction and identify potential issues early on. Retention stage. During the retention stage, customers may experience dissatisfaction due to lack of engagement, inadequate support, or unmet expectations. To combat these issues, we recommend 1. Creating personalized engagement plans, including regular check-ins, training sessions, and account reviews. 2. Implementing a loyalty program or reward scheme to incentivize customer loyalty and retention. 3. Developing a customer advisory board to gather feedback, prioritize product roadmap, and foster a sense of ownership. 4. Providing ongoing training and education to ensure customers maximize product value and stay up to date with new features. Offline and online channels. Discrepancies in customer experience often arise from inconsistencies across online and offline channels. To address this, we suggest 1. Implementing an omnichannel strategy to ensure seamless transitions between online and offline interactions. 2. Developing a unified customer profile to consolidate customer data and ensure consistent communication. 3. Standardizing processes and procedures across all channels to minimize confusion and eliminate errors. Employee empowerment. Frontline employees often lack the necessary tools, training, or authority to effectively address customer concerns. To empower employees, we recommend 1. Providing comprehensive training programs to equip employees with product knowledge and soft skills. 2. Implementing a decentralized decision-making framework to enable employees to make autonomous decisions. 3. Establishing a recognition and reward system to motivate employees to deliver exceptional customer experiences. Metrics and analytics. Insufficient metrics and analytics can hinder the ability to identify and address customer pain points. To address this, we suggest 1. Developing a comprehensive set of key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure customer experience and satisfaction. 2. Implementing a data analytics platform to track customer behavior, preferences, and pain points. 3. Establishing a continuous feedback loop to gather customer input and sentiment analysis. By implementing these operational excellence strategies, organizations can effectively address the underlying causes of customer struggles, leading to improved customer experiences, increased loyalty, and enhanced business performance.